In this video, I'm going to show you how to find Hozinger coupon codes that you guys could use in order to get the best deals possible. Now, there's multiple sources that we can go ahead and use. So number one is, of course, the Hozinger website. Now, typically, there is always going to be a sale right over here, and especially during like the holiday season, for example, Black Friday, there is going to be a even bigger sale. So definitely go ahead and consider taking a look at this. But guys, do not be worried. These sales legit happen all the time. Even though there's like a countdown over here, do not let that intimidate you guys, because legit Hozinger always have sales going on, so don't let that intimidate you at all. Another source that we can go ahead and use is coupons.com. Coupons.com actually does offer a bunch of Hozinger coupon codes that we can go ahead and use over here. For example, we do have up to 80% off right over here, 70% off. This one is 97% off plus extra 10% off domains. So I mean, these deals are just absolutely incredible, and it's still valid. Like, you guys could use these coupon codes over here, which is honestly pretty cool. And we do have like other related coupon codes, but over here towards the top are official coupon codes that you guys could use on Hozinger to get an even better deal than 70%. All right, now another tool that you guys could use is the Hozinger social media platforms, like on X or Twitter as they like to call it, or Instagram as well. They do provide you with a bunch of free promo codes as well that you guys can go ahead and use. And all these websites can come in handy significantly in order for you to get the best deals possible. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.